Alright, so my room is still a little bit of a mess. Well, yeah, it's still a big mess. But I just got new army green filament from not Sunlu, jail. But yeah, so that's the filament. I'm gonna show you guys how to unload a filament and start a print. Well, unload and reload a print and then start a unload and then reload filament so you can, well, just on a Bamboo Labs A1. I will come back when this is opened. Alright, so I'm back. Yeah, I canceled the print. Let's see here. Let's just remove red. So this was already unloaded, so I just have to, and this is the AMS system for Bamboo Labs. So let me put you down. Actually, no. You just slide it off. I put mine on my table. You take it. Actually, no. This one's too big. That's why I've got this thing. Alright, so what you do, well, what I do is I take this. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just dropping cars. This rack is mostly used for my HO stuff, which I am working on stuff on that table. So new video should be out soon. But anywho, you just take it. Whoa. You just take it. You load it on there. You take the filament and you load it into the hole. And then hold on. Alright. It's taking it in. But yeah, so you let it load up. I'm gonna put it there. And then, so yeah, that's how you load up filament. Anywho, see ya.